Today is Thursday, February the 13th, 2025, and we had a major snowfall last night. A lot for this area. As you can see, cars are kind of buried. Snow's about halfway up the tires. So got a measuring stick here to see in the walkway. It is about 8 inches. 8 inches is equivalent to about 21 centimeters. Lots of snow, lots of shoveling today. See, the blue spruce are covered in snow. These bushes are all covered in snow. Snow's kind of blowing around now. Lots of icicles hanging. Cars are all buried. I'm not sure if they plowed the road yet. Looks like they did.